everyone, welcome back to my channel and another Meesho haul. In today's video, I'm going to share some top wear with you, and along with some top wear, I do have two loungewear sets to share with you. I know कितना भी lockdown खत्म हो जाए, work from home is a reality now, and I do need some really comfortable clothes to work from home. So which is why I got two just to experiment and check how the quality is of night suits on Meesho. This was my first time shopping for night suits on Meesho, and I'm not disappointed. I will tell you in detail in the later part of the video. So yeah, stay tuned till the end and keep on watching. I'll start with the night suits itself. The first set that I have looks something like this. It's a two-piece set, a shirt that comes along with a shorts. To start off, the material is pretty comfortable. The size I ordered is extra small. जब भी मेरे पास डिलीवर हुआ था, it was fitting me really nicely. But जब मैंने इसको वॉश कर लिया तो ये थोड़ा सा shrink हुआ, which is why I felt कि मुझे extra small की जगह small मंगवाना चाहिए था. Even though extra small भी, as you can see, मुझे ठीक से fit हो रहा है, but it would have been much more comfortable अगर मैं इसको small में मंगवा लेती, because night suits का well fitted होने का कोई purpose as such है नहीं. It's much better अगर वो थोड़े loose, flowy और comfortable हो, especially in a very hot and humid weather which is going on right now. It's a self-printed stripes design in blue and white combination. It is a pure cotton night suit, but I don't know for whatever reason this is not the softest and does not feel very comfortable. But I would say that it's not very uncomfortable either. मतलब इसको पहन के घर में comfortably बैठ सकते हैं, लेकिन वो जो एक बहुत ही cozy और comfortable feeling होती है night suit की, इसमें उतना comfortable feel नहीं होता है. The collar neck I think is a plus point because collar necks mostly लोगों को suit करते हैं. एंड इसका फैब्रिक एंड द शॉर्ट्स फैब्रिक इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. ये भी कॉटन फैब्रिक में है. द शॉर्ट्स आर रियली कंफर्टेबल एंड इट कम्स विद वन पॉकेट ऑन द राइट साइड एंड ऑल्सो विद एन इलास्टिक एंड ऑल्सो अ ड्रॉस्ट्रिंग टू इवन टाइटन अप द शॉर्ट्स if you are feeling uncomfortable or if this is loose to you. Yeah, I think it's a pretty nice night suit and looks very cute on me. So yeah. The next PJ set is a proper PJ set. It's a pajama set. So this is what the night suit actually looks like. ये बहुत ही classy grey in a silverish tone kind of night suit है, and it's a full sleeve shirt along with a full length pajama to go with. का fabric is satin. मैंने इसको बहुत royal feeling और बहुत ही bougie kind of feel करने के लिए मंगवाना चाहती थी, even though ये बहुत ज्यादा affordable है. ये light में बहुत अच्छी reflection मारता है. इसके अंदर black color की detailings है. It has one pocket as well right over here on the left side of the shirt, and black color की detailing है, so it looks pretty good. It has the similar details on the sleeve as well. इसके पजामा में pockets नहीं मिलते. The full length pajama is also of the same fabric, the same material and the same shine. So it looks a very well coordinated night suit set. And इसके bottom पर भी यही black color की same detailings है. तो ये overall set बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने में. जो मेरा purpose था मंगवाने का कि मैं बहुत अच्छा सा feel करूँ इसे पहन के, वो purpose तो fulfill होता है, no doubt. This retains stains. मतलब अगर इसके ऊपर प्लेन पानी के भी छोटे मोटे ड्रॉपलेट्स गिर जाएं तो ये बहुत देर तक स्टेन्ड दिखाई देता है, गीला नहीं लगता. इट लुक्स लाइक इसमें बड़े बड़े ऑयल के धब्बे लग गए हैं, विच लुक्स वेरी चीप एंड लुक्स वेरी बैड. बेसिकली जो पर्पज है अच्छा फील करने का, वो टोटली बीट हो जाता है और ये उल्टा बहुत खराब लगता है. मे बी इट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज ये कलर बहुत ज्यादा लाइट है, बट मुझे यही कलर चाहिए था. आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर इसमें और कलर्स अवेलेबल थे या नहीं, बट आई थिंक इसमें रॉयल ब्लू वॉज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सो यू कैन चेक दैट डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कोड दैट आई विल मेंशन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स डाउन बिलो. बट ओवरऑल ये इतने कम प्राइस में बहुत अच्छा पीस है. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई फील कि ये थोड़े से retain करता है. Maybe I am wrong, but that's what I feel. Done with the night suits, let's just get started with the tops now. The first top that I have to share with you is a pink colored turtleneck top. इसके sleeves इसकी हाईलाइट है. आई गॉट दिस टॉप फॉर द स्लीव्स एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द कलर. इसी कलर के मेरे पास अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6 कपड़े हो गए हैं इंक्लूडिंग दिस वन, एंड आई एम स्टिल नॉट स्टॉपिंग देयर. मुझे ये कलर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल एंड वेरी फेमिनिन. साइज आई ऑर्डर्ड इज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल एंड ये एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल भी काफ़ी बड़ा है एज यू कैन सी, और इसके स्लीव्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाइड है. आई गॉट दिस फॉर ऑल द स्लीव ड्रामा दैट आई एम गोना पुट अप ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. एज यू कैन सी द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग ऑलरेडी also has puffy sleeves. So puffy sleeves स्लीव्स का भी थोड़े दिनों पहले बहुत फैशन था एंड इट्स स्टिल इन द ट्रेंड, इट्स नॉट अ गॉन ट्रेंड, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस वन। एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज ये प्रिंटेड नहीं है, इट्स अ प्लेन पिंक कलर, तो मैं इसे काफी सारे बॉटम के साथ पेयर अप कर सकती हूँ एंड इट वुड सर्व द पर्पस। The fabric is cotton blend and to be very honest, I don't think this fabric is successful for people जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है। Even though it's good enough for me, मुझे इससे कोई कंप्लेन नहीं है, but I'm just telling you as a heads up कि इस फैब्रिक में थोड़ी गर्मी लग सकती है since it is not pure cotton, it's a cotton blend. But if you want to purchase something for the sake of fashion and the ongoing trends, this is a really good piece. The next top is again of the same neckline. It's a turtleneck and a plain white basic top. It's again a cotton blend. It's not 100% cotton. Even though it was very affordable, but ये कोई बेकार quality का नहीं है. It's a good quality. See through है ये. This top was really affordable and white color mostly see through होता ही है, तो you'd have to check for that for yourself if you're comfortable carrying appropriate clothes underneath this or not. But other than that इसकी quality में कोई problem नहीं है. It's a short half sleeves and I think ये formal wear, even casual wear के लिए, dress up होने के लिए it's a good piece because basic black and white will never go out of style. I ordered it in size small and it fits me really well and I don't have any complaints to make about it. The next is the one that I'm wearing already. Of course, I have to wear something out of the haul and this is the one that I chose. It's the fanciest top in the entire haul and hence my favorite. Comes in a set of two. It comes with a camisole and a jacket or a shrug on top of it. It's a proper navy blue colored top. The camisole underneath is very soft and comfortable and also comes with a broad elastic at the bottom part of the camisole. And ये बिल्कुल cropped length में है. If you're not comfortable showing your midriff, I would suggest you not to go for it. I personally am very comfortable with wearing crop tops or high-waisted jeans or just crop tops in general. But if you're not comfortable, I would not suggest you to go for this one because it's a proper crop top and this would cover up only until your navel or maybe even above that. I don't know for what reason this camisole is really transparent. They should have given a much more solid fabric to wear underneath, but that's okay. I can manage with the fabric. On top of it, it comes with a shrug which is of organza fabric and that is the highlight of the entire top. It has these really long tie-up detail in the front and it's not necessary for you to tie it in the front only. You can also tie it at the back like I have tried in the try-on part also. And the material is organza, the color is navy blue. Not only the puffy sleeves, it also has a very cool cuff right over here जो elbow length पे खत्म होता है और ये buttons भी open हो सकते हैं. They're not just for the show. I bought it just for the style quotient and I think it looks very fancy. और मैंने Instagram पे अपने इसकी बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स ऑलरेडी अपलोड किए विद वाइट जीन्स, ब्लैक जीन्स एंड ऑल ऑफ द स्टाइलिंग एंड आई रियली लव दिस पीस. इसका नेक भी कॉलर स्टाइल में है तो आई थिंक ये मोस्टली लोगों को सूट करेगा एंड द श्रग क्वालिटी इज़ रियली नाइस, द स्टिचिंग इज़ रियली नाइस एंड टोटल रिकमेंडेशन. The next top is again in pink color and has white polka dots all over it. It has 3/4 sleeves and this is what it looks like. I ordered it in size small. I feel like ये बहुत ही simple और cute सा top है. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ fancy है नहीं. Although I don't wear prints and especially polka dots is not my style, but I liked it for the color. इसका fabric is not cotton, it's crepe and there's nothing to complain about it. इसका price भी बहुत affordable था. Sleeves भी इसकी 3/4 to full length के कहीं बीच में है and I think it's a good cute piece to have in your wardrobe. Nothing extraordinary but nothing to complain about either. That's it for today's video. I really hope that you liked something for yourself. I'll try my best to search for all the product codes and mention them in the description box below because ये सारे products मैंने recently नहीं खरीदे. ये I have bought all these tops and night suits over the last few months, so I'm not sure if everything is still in stock, but I will try my best to search for the product codes and mention them in the description box below just so you can directly search for them from this video to the app. If you enjoy watching hauls or you enjoy watching my videos, I have a few more hauls on my channel from Flipkart, from Myntra, Ajio, you name it and I have it. I will link them right over here so you can click on them and directly go watch them. Also subscribe to my channel if you like my content and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.